we will explore how to analyze multicollinearity using R and implement a ridge regression model. In data analysis, multicollinearity is an important issue, and we will look into various techniques to address this problem. First, we will install and load the necessary R packages. In this session, we will use the CAR, ggplot2, and FactExtra packages to perform various analyses and visualizations. This will prepare the tools needed for our data analysis. Next, we will generate sample data. Here, we will ensure that var1 and var2 have a high correlation to each other. After generating this data, we will compute and print the correlation matrix to check the relationships between the variables. We will calculate the variance inflation factor, VIF, to identify multicollinearity. If the VIF value is greater than 10, it indicates a concern regarding multicollinearity, which can help us determine which variables may be problematic. We will analyze the VIF values for each variable to understand the influence of correlations. Next, we will compute the condition number. The condition number measures the stability of a matrix. A value greater than 30 indicates serious multicollinearity. In this case, the condition number is 21.28, suggesting that multicollinearity is not a significant issue. When VIF values are high, one approach to mitigate this is to remove variables. We need to review the variables suspected of contributing to multicollinearity and decide which ones can be removed. This can enhance the stability of our model. We will utilize principal component analysis, PCA, to visualize the structure of the data. PCA is beneficial for dimension reduction and helps interpret the effects of variables on the data. After performing PCA, we will check the weights of the principal components to see how the variables are represented. Then, we will fit a ridge regression model. Ridge regression is an effective method for addressing multicollinearity issues by applying L2 regularization. After fitting the model, we will output the regression coefficients of each variable to analyze their impacts. Finally, we will visualize the ridge regression coefficients to assess the importance of each variable. By displaying a graph showing how the coefficients change with varying lambda values, we can visually understand the impact of each variable on the model. In summary, we have explored how to analyze multicollinearity using R and resolve it through ridge regression. The R code is posted in the community post.